From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of flimsy RV tables that can't keep up with your adventures? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the Adjustable RV Table Stand Leg Folding Dinette by HW Hong RV. This incredible product is a must-have for any RV enthusiast, and I'm about to tell you why. With its durable, high-strength iron construction, you can bet it'll withstand the rigors of frequent use, and the textured surface gives you a secure grip. So you don't have to worry about it slipping or sliding around. One of the things that really sets this table apart is its versatility. You can use it in multiple scenarios, from outdoor lawns to cozy indoor dinettes, and it's incredibly easy to set up. The height adjustable feature is a total winner, extending up to 27.6 inches for a comfortable dining experience and lowering to 11.8 inches for easy bed conversion, making the most of your RV's living area. You'll love the smooth sound of the handle as you adjust the height to your liking, and the feel of the sturdy legs locking into place. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's well reviewed by people who've put it to the test. The foldable design is also a major plus, allowing you to store it under the bed or in small storage spaces with ease, and the result is a clutter-free RV that's ready for anything. Whether you're a full-time RVer or just a weekend warrior, this table is the perfect addition to your mobile home, and it's a great way to create a comfortable, relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for dining, working, or just hanging out. So why settle for a flimsy, inconvenient table when you can have a durable, easy-to-use, and super comfy dinette that'll elevate your RV experience? Give the Adjustable RV Table Stand Leg Folding Dinette a try, and you won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.